That's perfect. I wanted to make sure the audio was good. That's perfect. I wanted to make sure the audio was good. Let me
The record, I have never been involved with anyone at work in any capacity.
Very nice to meet you.
The record, I have never been involved with any.
Just my type. Confidence is speaking. Let's see. Very nice to meet you.
The record, I have never been involved with any.
Just my type. Confidence is speaking. If you're watching now, just comment in the chat real quick. Let's see. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah. Change the thumbnail. Can I just do print screen and then that. There. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. I don't know how it determines that there's two people viewing me, but I think there's nobody viewing me. But if there is somebody there, just say what's up in the chat. Meanwhile, I am going to edit this configure video. What is it that keeps doing auto? Oh, auto exposure. There we go. keeps doing that on its own. It kind of sucks. Honestly, I'm not gonna fucking make my face any bigger, but what I am gonna do is I'm gonna play something on my TV that I have ahead of me to make it look cool. But we're gonna start trading here in a couple of minutes. Market's about to be opening literally in 24 minutes. Let's talk about what I've been traded. So in the last week, I started trading Snapchat. I think I made some money on Snapchat, but I made enough to um kind of help with my goal of reaching my little goal, because I started with $50 and I made it up to 200. But I withdrew some money from my account last night, so my balance is like at $100 now, $105. But now I held a AT&T. Let me show you. I held this AT&T call right here. You can see. How can I? Can't expand it, but see my positions and my options trading. So I'm in this AT&T call. Where can I pull it up? Right here. I'm in this AT&T call. I'm up $47 on it. Up 85%. I bought 2 contracts, 200 contracts. So I bought 2 units, and I want to see what we're gonna make this morning. I mean, I don't really have much to say besides I think that AT&T is gonna go up due to the fact that we're always gonna need telecoms. Especially right now during this AI era. Um, there's we're just bound to. Whoa, my YouTube just crashed. We're just bound to for it to keep going up, honestly, and like all I can say is if you look at this um 1 year chart here, it's already kind of like hit its little bounce with this little bounce. It's honestly what I like to say is like I don't like going too much based on support and resistance levels, but obviously there's key points of the year where that show you like the price action, but you have to look into it. So like you have to go in and dig into the internet and find out what was happening during these periods that caused this movement. So I do the same here, when I see like a similar movement. But yeah, let's go into a 5 day. And I'm gonna put this. I like putting this during the market opening. I like putting it at a 1 minute chart just to look at it. Gives me it helps me have like a better look at it. If that makes any sense. Honestly, I don't know if I'm making any sense, but we're gonna see if we make some money today. Honestly, I'm extremely positive we're gonna be making some money on this beautiful Monday morning. Um, there's really there's nothing in my head that's telling me otherwise. So yeah. Also, I'm honestly been doing this. Like, I was doing the recording the videos, but I realized literally just recording 30-minute long videos and then just uploading it out. Figured, why don't I just live stream this, and whatever gets live streamed gets uploaded, and it's literally cuts half the work for me. Not that I'm not trying to be lazy, but I'd rather do it this way. Honestly, it's easier. It's definitely way easier. It's not something that I want to say that I'm trying to like take a shortcut on, but it it just helps. 20-minute counter. I wonder if there's like a thing where I could put like a counter. has to be something like that. Stock market open. All right, yep. This works. This totally works. I don't know this company. This website. I'm not affiliated with them. There's no better. I will just do it with that. It's cool. We got 18 minutes and 39 seconds. If you have any questions, just ask. Like, question of the day: what are you guys trading today? I'm trying to find a font for this question. Where is it? Where did it place it? Take me to New York, I want to see LA. I really want to. I'm kicking with you. Will you be my America? Take me to New York, I want to see LA. Take me to New York, I want to see LA.
With this setup. But what they told me was that because I bought that other MacBook Air, I bought it in October of last year, guys. It's not old. It's like
How do I put this on replay? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Just have me talking over the Black Ops 2 music. That's fucking. I don't know. That's fucking hilarious to me, to be honest with you. But I might have to turn it down a little bit. I think that might be better, honestly, so that I don't have to completely scream while I'm speaking and shit. I think better, honestly, so that I don't have to really scream while I'm speaking and shit. There we go. I think I'll be happy with that. I was also wondering why the audio wasn't that clear. My microphone's like nowhere near my freaking face, but I guess it still sounds good. I'll be happy. But I need it to be clear audio, so this needs to be the way for me. I was also wondering why audio wasn't that clear. My microphone's like nowhere near my freaking face. I guess it still sounds good. I need it to be clear audio, so this needs to be the way for me. Yeah, now we're talking. We got this bitch ready to go. Like, what the heck? Damn, my fucking forehead is huge. But we got 7 minutes. 7 minutes. 7 minutes left. Catch me all tweaked out on the camera. I'm gonna get a hat because fuck that shit. Texas hat because I love Texas. Five minutes until the shit show begins. Look at this. So this is my report for this month. So I started trading again on the 24th. Put my deposit in $84. And then, well, really I had started with like 50, and then I decided to add a little bit more so I could buy extra of like a Snapchat call. But we turned it all the way up to $142 on the 1st of this month. And then I was in the call, so it was going up and down, and we made it all the way up to 212 on the 16th. But I took a little L, and it came back down to like 140, but or like something like that. I don't remember, something like that. But I pulled out at $80. Now I was thinking, hopefully the money I pulled out isn't gonna cost me the margin call. I really doubt it though, because I'm still up over 85% profit on this call for AT&T. So I mean, look at this, like we're up here, we're straight, nothing's gonna happen to us. We need to stay below, above this. But 3 minutes. It's time for the fucking shit show. Minutes. T minus 3 minutes and 58 seconds. Oh yeah, let me pull up the thing I want to show you guys. Where was it that I was looking at this? Performance. Yeah, so this is my performance right here. Don't look at this number right here. This number is basically like when I started trading in 2021, I was making decent money, and then I started losing. Like I was up, and then I started losing. And losing and losing and losing and losing. I basically lost like over $500 in them over the year. I didn't lose it all at once. It was like over the course of like 7 or 8 months, and that put me down in this range where I've lost like almost $1,000 to the stock market. But here you can see all the stuff that I've traded and the stuff that I made money on, so I think I can do this. Yeah, so I guess the most money I like the one that's I've been making a lot of money on Apple, Snapchat, and AT&T. Like these right here are the corporations or companies that I fuck with. Honestly, SPY made me some money. I made some money on SPY, but I also lost a lot. So, do I fuck with? I don't know. Dollar Tree did me dirty, but SPY did me the dirty out of the most dirty out of all of them. I was trading Zynga. That's like fucking Facebook gaming. I don't know, but a lot of these kind of hold me out. But I'm not worried about that. What I'm trying to do right now is come back from this fucking major L, basically 800. Let's call it $800 L that I took in the stock market when I was first started trading. But this right here, I mean, I've had some pretty. I've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've had 7 win days and 8 loss days, but some of them weren't that bad. Some of them was like I lost like fucking $3. Like I'm not tripping, but the stock market is open now, so watch it move. It's going up. It is going up, guys, and you might see me looking down a bit. It's because I'm looking at it on my phone. I like to look at it on my phone, kind of like at the same time. It's a little bit easier for me to see like the P&L and everything. But what I wanted to do, I wanted to move up like in this area. Let me see. I want to be up here. For the end of the day, I want to be up there. If we can make it up there, that would be cool. Move up to $27 would be nice. $27 question mark. Can we reach $27? Now, While that's happening in the background, let's open a little tab right here. Let's go to Yahoo Finance, because honestly I really like Yahoo Finance. It's super easy to deal with, and you just literally just look at this. So I think on the 22nd, AT&T, I mean, I think earnings is on the 22nd, so that is earnings today. So let's read what they have here. AT&T reports Q1 on April 22nd. So yeah, in 2 days, we're gonna have the earnings projection. So it says they project the revenue of 31.23 billion, so like 2%, I think, from it was. So yeah, let's just let it do its thing and see if we have any news here. So this is the earnings call. So on the 22nd, we're gonna be watching earnings. So we're definitely gonna be streaming on the 22nd. So let's say 56 minutes ago, 1 hour ago, AT&T and Citi has the AT&T Point Plus card. Let's read this. This could be interesting. This could benefit us. I'm not entirely sure. Refresh card offers new ways for AT&T customers to save money and maximize rewards. Key takeaways: Citi and AT&T introduced new benefits for the AT&T Point Plus card, delivering more value and savings. I think that's probably one of their insider cards. Cards benefit now include monthly AT&T wireless and internet bill discounts, 2x thank you point AT&T points. This is better rewards, I guess. Nothing too crazy that I think would be like a significant influence. So it says AT&T amongst the 10 best affordable blue chip stocks to buy now. Honestly, I would definitely say AT&T is a strong buy. So if you're not in AT&T right now, what are you doing? And I guess you can trade AT&T on Coinbase. I didn't know that, according to this thing right here. Oh yeah, you can trade stocks on Coinbase, yeah. But honestly, I don't know if I want to be on Coinbase trading stocks. But yeah, let's just watch this move up. Hopefully, we can make some money. I mean, it's a Monday, so I wouldn't be surprised if it just bounces around. But I think around 9 is really when things start moving. Oops, accidentally fucking mic blasted. So far, it's not looking too cash money, I'm not gonna lie. Look at this. Not good. But shit. Price alert. PSCFE. Damn, so okay, so I was trading this, and I had made it on my last video. I talked about how I accidentally made a wrong call on this one right here. If I would have actually put the proper call I wanted and held it, bro, I would have been up, because I got closed out. But look at this, it's going up in the green. So I mean, honestly, I remember it being like at 9:05, 9:15, and that still wasn't. was like over here and I wasn't making money out. I don't know. Maybe I'm just getting FOMO because I got my price alert. But I'm still sticking. I'm trying to do like one trade at a time. I don't want to fucking just dump a whole bunch of calls unless I know that I can manage it. But as of now, I'm just gonna chill out on doing stuff like that. I do need it to skyrocket though. I mean, I really don't think it's gonna do anything crazy. Like I said, at least not for the first couple of. But yeah, it's taking me under for today. I have a strong feeling though that it could keep going up. I don't know how long. I mean, I'll do like an hour stream. I'm not tripping, but it's only been 7 minutes since market open. So. I need some nicotine. I'm gonna get this in. I don't know why, but I've really been fucking with these lately. I guess maybe because I get a little nicotine fix and I'm not smoking. I think I'm trying to stop smoking vapes and cigarettes. They're not good for you. Shit was fucking up my teeth. I don't want to fuck up my teeth. I need people to start waking up and putting their calls in. I mean, I don't have anything specifically exciting going on. I'm just trying to show you what I'm working with. But I need the whales to come in and start dumping. I mean, even though that we have a little bit of seller action going on at opening, buyers are still coming in, as you can see. Like, I think it can get up here. Like, it can break this. I mean, it feels like it's the only logical thing that it could happen. Only because of the way market has been moving. Shit, see, it's doing its thing right here. So just so that you guys know kind of like where market opened, we opened around, let's put this here for reference, you know? So that's gonna be our area of support that we want to respect for the day. And I need this to go. Where's the little draw? I keep losing the drawing thing. Oh, this thing has emojis. Let me see. Does it have arrows? I'm just trying to fuck around with the emojis for now. I'm not necessarily doing, but I do want it to hit $27. So we can hit $27. We'll be in the money. I mean, we're already in the money, but where did it go? Where did it put it? What the hell? Oh, I think I gotta draw it. Yeah. Go up like this in this direction. We're gonna just. I need it to go up. I mean, it's moving up, you know. It's doing something. For sure. What was that sound? So we're in the money, as you can see. We're in the money. Wait, it's coming down. Just watch this for a little bit. This is where we're at. We bought the $26 strike price, and AT&T is currently at $26.50, so it's 52 cents up. So like, we're half a dollar up in, but I need this to keep going up. But according to most of the people right now, AT&T is a strong buy. So like I said, it's always gonna go down a little bit. It's just sellers are gonna sell, they're gonna do their thing. But right now, I just know the buyers are strong. Like, this is the main thing. People are always gonna need AT&T. Like, AT&T is always gonna be around because one, people need telecoms, and we need internet, we need fiber. And let's be real, we get a lot of that shit from AT&T. So. Going back and forth, I'm just spamming. Don't get me wrong though, even like for instance, even if I don't, like, let's say even if I have data, I'm still gonna upload stuff and show you guys what I got going on, because I think that's like a realistic end of this. But I bought 2 contracts, and this contract now, if you buy 2, costs $160. I think when I bought it, it was like, I don't know, I think $50 for both. We're just gonna sit here and watch it. I mean, obviously it's moved around a little bit, but not enough for it to matter really. On the options call, it still has 0% movement, so we gotta wait. it's always gonna make this little random crazy movement at market. But around 9 is, I think, is when people really start making their little dumps and pumps or whatever. But we're gonna sit here and watch this until 9:30. Usually by 10 things have kind of averaged out. But I do want to start doing the blackjack videos again. And I'm definitely gonna hop back on NASDAQ soon. For now, we're just holding it down with the stocks. Technically, people were saying that some stocks might drop a little bit because of the whole thing with Iran. Straight of I don't know how to fucking say it. I guess I could be less ignorant and learn how to say it, but yeah, what they got going on over there is definitely not so good for our economy right now, but I think there's always going to be a way to make some money regardless of how bad things are going. What is up, my YouTube people? Now, I've been live streaming since like 20 minutes before market open, and I've been watching this AT&T just move around. It's currently 8:51 a.m. I'm still into this options call. Strike price $26, and I only bought one. I thought I bought two contracts of this, but I bought it when it was out of the money, and I bought it on Friday, I think, Friday or Thursday, and we went up, $42.50 on it, so we're almost at 100% profit. We're at 77.27% profit from it. Really just watching it do its thing. It didn't have a strong opening. It's honestly kind of consolidating, but it's about to be earnings in 2 days. So on the 22nd is earnings, so that's gonna definitely bring a lot more news. Well, like a lot more movement. So I think for today and tomorrow, it might not be anything crazy to look at this, but I still want to cover it, because I want to do my one video a day thing. But you guys will have a live stream to watch if you guys want to watch after I'm done streaming this. I'm streaming right now as we're speaking, but man, this thing is killing me. This thing is killing me. So we opened our call around this, I think around 26, somewhere around here, and we've been in profit. We want to stay in profit, so as long as we stay above this, where the fucking arrow is, we'll be fine. But the way it's moving is nasty. I needed to, this right here, this movement it made up here, I thought it was gonna keep going, keep momentum, but the sellers are going hard. They're really holding back the buyers. But what can we do? That's just part of what goes on. What my plan is stay in this call until the 1st of May. Usually when I'm in profits, I just let it expire. But if I'm up like a decent amount and I just want to take profit, I will do it manually. But the only thing I could do is watch it now. I don't really. I guess we can talk about like the stocks that I was looking at last week. I was looking at NIO, and it seems like, let's see, NIO. Oops. NIO did good, I guess. It's up to $6.74. I don't even remember where I closed at, but I honestly I didn't miss out on anything because it starting to come back down. But I'm telling you, this AT&T call is really what I'm going for. So let's just hope that it keeps going. Honestly, it's coming down, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna keep watching it for a bit, and then I'm gonna come back when I see like if it makes any major movements. Yeah, this was the last. We made it to the 30 minutes. I'm gonna end the stream there, but see you on the next one because she was not looking too saucy today.